Namaskar. How do you recognize a toxic person? And who is this toxic person? When you get emotionally exhausted after an exchange with a person, that person is a toxic person because they try to pull you into a crisis. They try to take you on a guilt trip. They try to prove their point. They try to manipulate you. They try to make you feel that they are in need because they are always in crisis. But remember, this is the crisis which is created by them. This is not your crisis. This is their crisis. However, the toxic person always tries to pull you into some kind of trouble because they feel or they make you feel that you can do the work because you are in an authority to get some things done, or you have the power to get some things done. So the toxic person will manipulate you in such a way that you somehow get into doing things which you don't even want to do or are not even needed to be done. So how can you deal with such toxic person? The reality is the toxic person is not going to change, and you cannot even think of changing them. The best way to deal with them is to establish and maintain boundaries with them. You try to maintain distance from them. Don't get pulled into their crisis. When they try to approach you and manipulate you, you stay strong. You don't get pulled into their manipulation. So stay away from them. You can't break relationship with these people, but the best is to know the boundaries, know your limits. When you feel that the person is taking advantage of you, you just put a stop there and don't respond to them. Stay away from them as much as you can, because once they create problems for you, they will not give you any solution. You will have to find a solution. So it's better that you handle the situations on your own rather than getting manipulated to do things which you don't want to do. So stay strong, stay happy. God bless.